Say bye to belly fat. Reduce your waist and increase your curves. BBB Enhancement Formula is an all-natural herbal supplement pill which helps you get a bigger butt without compromising the rest of your body. Let's face it, it's not that hard to get a big butt on your own. Unfortunately, you will also get a big gut in the process. BBB Formula promotes a healthy lifestyle by implementing diet and exercise with this supplement intake. The result? A tighter, rounder, fuller set of buttocks achieved the right way, the healthy way. How exactly does it work? Well, let's eavesdrop on this conversation between a long-time satisfied customer with a big, beautiful butt and a potential customer who wishes she had a big, beautiful butt. Kim teaches a class at the local gym called Pilates for Hotties, and Paris is intrigued by the fact that all of the students attending the class have big, beautiful butts. Looks like this class is ending. Let's listen in. Well, hello, Kim. So nice to see you. Oh, it's you, Paris. So nice to see you as well. So, Kim, I see you still have that big, beautiful butt. Must be from teaching Pilates classes all of these years, right? Actually, a good diet and regular exercise is just part of the reason. BBB pills are just as important for maintaining my shapely curves. Taking just one of these pills a day gives me a big, beautiful butt, all while maintaining my slender waist. What? That sounds incredible. How do they work? BBB Formula works by releasing amino acids that are metabolized by muscles rather than liver. This increases the size of your gluteal muscle cells, making them able to absorb higher amounts of protein, thus increasing your buttocks. That's great and everything, but it only works for curvier women like yourself, right? No, BBB Formula works for everyone, even guys. For slender women like yourself, it will help you achieve bigger buttocks. For curvier women like myself, it will trim some of the unwanted fat by turning it into muscle and help maintain its size. Well, we all know how shapely your backside has been, so those pills must really work. But where can I buy some for myself? Easy. Just go to www.bbbformula.com or visit any participating GNC location today. Oh, Kim, thank you so much for letting me in on your secret. Don't mention it, Paris. I'm glad I could help. I can see the headlines now. Paris got butt implants. It happens to me all the time. Well, there you have it, folks. It looks as if BBB Enhancement Formula has rekindled that old friendship. BBB Enhancement Formula. Get that hourglass shape every woman dreams of. 100% natural, 100% safe, and 100% proven. Visit bbbformula.com today.